Happy Wednesday to you, I believe. Anyway, quick short video. Congratulations to our winner, Fabiel, Fabiel, on Twitter. If I mispronounced it, I'm sorry, but I've already contacted you. We've contacted you and sent you the license key for the software. Use it in good health. I hope you enjoy it. Congratulations. Thanks for joining. There we go. Want to thank the people this week who bought license keys. I want to thank the people who have followed me on Twitter and joined our queue. We have quite a few people for a new product. Quite a few people, not the thousands of people, but we're over in the hundreds now. So it's really cool. I really appreciate it. More work coming. I appreciate everything that everyone's doing, all the testing that they're doing, the neat ideas they're bringing to this system. It is great. I'm enjoying it. Again, congratulations, Fabio. And you know who you are because I've contacted you. And thanks for the people who followed the Twitter account. And I look forward to more of you following and the next drawing that'll come up. Please follow us on the Twitter for that. Anyway, that's it. It's been great. It's great. I'm enjoying it. It has been a good week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.